In this video, you will get to know the structure of virus, steps involved in viral replication, innate and adaptive immunity to viruses, role of natural killer cells, and interferons in detail. So, without any further delay, let's start our video. Let's have an overview of structure of virus and its replication in host cell. Virus has DNA or RNA, which is the genetic material of virus. It also consists of capsid. Capsid is the three-dimensional proteinous capsular shell around the virus that encloses the genetic material of virus. And then there is an envelope. But virus can be enveloped or non-enveloped. Now, let's have an overview that how virus enters and replicates in the host cell. This is the host cell. Step 1 is that virus attachment to host cell is through receptor, which is specific for each virus. For example, all viruses need to interact with specific receptors on the cell surface. Examples include Epstein-Barr virus has attachment with CR2 on cells. Rabies has attachment with acetylcholine receptor on neurons. And measles has attachment with CD4 to 6 on cells. Step 2 is that entry of virus in the host cell. When the entry of virus in host cell takes place, capsid comes apart. In step 3, replication and gene expression occurs. Now copies of genome take place. And using host ribosome, viral RNA is produced. As this is the host ribosome, it is used by virus to make viral RNA. Step 4, now assembly of virus takes place. Step 5 or last step is that viruses are released. Then they are off to infect new cells. This was all about the overview of structure of virus and steps involved in replication of virus in host cell. In our next section, we will discuss innate and adaptive immunity to viruses.